thing.
Okay.
There is a very confusing visual image of the fundamental unit that you need to appreciate what gauge symmetry is all about. And I had Jamie load it up under the tab called Planet Hopf. And this is going to be
HOPF?
HOPF.
What the fuck am I looking at?
You are looking at the most important object in the universe.
What? That looks like some trippy screensaver on your laptop.
Take another puff, my friend, because it's worth it. This is, what you're looking at, is a principal fiber bundle.
And it's
and it is the
Earth. Those are the continents I'm looking at.
That's the cool part about it, which is this is very confusing to figure out what you're looking at, but it's finite. In other words, if we stay for an hour or two on this and we actually answer all your questions, you will actually know what a principal bundle is, and you will know the arena in which gauge theory exists.
For folks at home that are just listening and they go, what the fuck are these guys talking about? What is the name of this video, Jamie?
It's not a video.
It's not a video.
It's a small file on a page. I typed in Planet Hopf, and it was the first thing that showed up on math.toronto.edu.
Okay,
it's
so
an extended thing.
Planet HOPF for anybody who wants to look at this. If you're just listening and you have no idea why I'm freaking out.
So this was done by a friend of mine named Dror Barnatan. I actually coded the same thing up. Strangely enough, didn't do as brilliant a job of coloring it. And
this looks amazing, by the way.
So, okay, what you're looking at is a two-dimensional sphere that is the surface of the Earth, where an extra circle is included at every point on the surface of that sphere, which you're now visualizing. And that extra circle, which would be called the fiber, when you take the totality of all of those circles together, one for each point on the surface of the sphere, they create something called a three-sphere. That is all the points that are 1 unit of distance away from the origin in four-dimensional space. So that three-dimensional sphere is the analog of a two-dimensional sphere sitting in three-dimensional space. So think about a caramel apple. If you've ever made caramel apples, you get a disc of caramel, and you wrap it around the sphere that is the apple surface, right? So this is the three-dimensional version of caramel wrapped around the three-dimensional sphere sitting in four-dimensional space. Now,
Do you understand any of this, Jamie?
I'm trying.
well, look,
Okay,
dude, it's
thank
totally trippy, right?
Yeah,
and so
it's-
we're not going to get it completely during this session. However,
Well, I think I lack the tools.
I don't think so. We lack the time. So the first thing is you are finding out that one of your friends thinks this is the most important object in the universe, and you've never even heard of it,
Right.
much less know that there's one visual example.
What the fuck? How's this happening now?
I know, exactly.